Okay, so in the last video I talked about the redundant overlap and how that applied specifically to the levels field versus the architectural style field. That was regarding detached houses. The same things apply to all of these things that are checked here. However, I want to look at another example, and that is apartments. So when you click on apartment, now you get a different list in the levels field here. And of course, if we look under architectural style, we're going to find single level unit, where is it here, and multi-level unit. So both of these exist under the architectural style field and the levels field. That's the same redundant overlap that's going to cause the same problem. And of course, it's not just these two fields. If we look here under structure type, there's a third field that we can bring into this, and high rise and low rise also exist under architectural style. So once again, redundant overlap, same problem, listings getting lost. Same problem and same solution. The solution is extremely simple. Just get these things out of architectural style. Okay, they don't belong there. They already exist in some other fields. That's creating redundant overlap. Get them out of this field. And here's another one. Look at this. Apartment is in here. Well, apartment is the property subtype. What's it doing here? And yet here's another one. Look at this. Townhouse. Again, townhouse is a property subtype. It definitely does not belong under architectural style. That's redundant overlap. It's just going to keep causing the same problems as all these other things. So get all these things out of architectural style. Okay, in my last video I gave a list of things to remove, so now we have an additional list of things to remove from architectural style. Why? Because these things already exist in other fields. And this will be creating the same problem, redundant overlap, causing listings to get lost. So please take these out of the architectural style field, because that's not what the architectural style field is meant to be used for. It's supposed to be descriptive. It's supposed to further describe the property beyond what is already being said in another field. And indeed, there are a few things in the architectural style field that are serving that purpose. Let's take a quick look at them here. There's A-frame, okay, back split, Cape Cod, contemporary is a good one, Dallas split. This sort of thing further describes the property. These are actually, this is actual architecture, so that's what the field is supposed to be used for. Problem is, there's just not a whole lot of this stuff in the field. So therefore we can just add some more things to this field. I've outlined a bunch of stuff to take out, so let's actually put some things back in there. Here's an example of, here's a list that I made of some possible examples of what to put in there to further describe, okay, to further describe the property using some architecture. And these are all architectural styles here. So this is just an example. It's not an exhaustive list, but it's just some things that you might think about adding to the architectural style field.